In this video, we see about the results of Mendel experiments. So, when he did what the experiment, how the cross pollination he did, and what are the results. Please follow properly. You can try in your home also. Okay, and then you see this season is the mutton plant season, and you can get the pea plants. Please, students, all of you try in your house. Okay, and then whatever you are trying, take a picture and keep. We need this for the project, not only for this one. You can try in any other plant the cross pollination and to see the new varieties. Okay, you must do this one. And then now some pea plants bear white flowers while some other bear, okay, this one please remove this one white and write here purple. They have given some printing mistake. You write here purple. Okay, this is not correct. Some pea plants bear white flowers while some other bear purple. Okay, purple flowers. Mendel selected such varieties of plants, obtained their seeds and grew more plants out of them. He now allowed self-pollination to take place in plants of a particular variety. That is, those with white flowers or those with purple flowers. That means in the self-pollination means white flower plants gives only the white flowers and purple flowers can only give the purple flowers. Okay. So each time he selected flowers on the basis of their color. He carried out this process for some generation till he could ensure that seeds of plants with purple flowers would yield. Yield means get. To obtain only purple flowers, while those with white flowers would obtain only the white. So thus by the process repeated by self-pollination. So by the self-pollination naturally which is taking place, white flower plants can only give the white flower plants and purple color plants can give only the purple color plants. Okay, but afterwards Mendel obtained plant that would produce seeds seeds of purple or white varieties respectively for several generations. For so many generations he allowed to take the self-pollination and he observed and the same characters are coming out. And Mendel called these varieties pure. That means without naturally what is taking place is called as a pure. Okay, and what is taking place artificially he gave the name as a hybrid. So he started these experiments with these varieties of pure plants. He sowed seeds of pure varieties of white and purple plants. As the plants grew, started flowering, he cross-pollinated them. The seeds obtained from the cross-pollinated flowers or the hybrid seeds yielded varieties that bore only the purple flowers. Okay, now we see the... Okay. Now this is the experiment he did. Okay. So what he did means he selected the purple flower plant and the white flower plant. Okay. Step by step we see that he did artificially cross pollination. This one you are going to do in your houses. Okay. And see the examine the differences. So the first step, removed a stamens from the purple flower. Stamen is the male part. Okay, male means what? Boy. Okay, male part. So he removed from the purple flower. What he did? He removed the stamens. And the second point, transferred sperm bearing pollen. Sperm means, I think you know very well, you might have studied in the 8th class. Okay, 9th class you don't have this subject about the sperm and the ovary in the 8th class. So sperm bearing pollen from stamens of white flowers to egg bearing carpel of purple flower. Okay, now in the plants the reproductive organ is the stamen. Okay, and then we can say also this as a sperm. In the human beings or any other living organisms, sperm is the reproductive organ. Reproductive organ means what? Which can reproduce, which can give again the new life to the other one. Okay, that means new baby or new flower, new plant will be coming out with the help of this. Okay, so that one. So here what he did means, so transferred sperm bearing pollen. The stamen has the pollen grains, no? Like white color. We can see clearly in the shoe flower, hibiscus flower. So in this we can see what is that, good hull flower, na? So the yellow color pollen grain, this is the stamen, male part. So of the white flower to egg, so white flower he choose the female part, and in the purple flower he choose the male part, that is the stamen, reproductive organ, and here is the egg. So what he did, this stamen he added in the white flower, in the ovary, in the egg. Okay, so he mixed here. So we can see here, na, this one. So here parental generation means from which plants he has chosen the stamen and the ovary, those are called as a parental parents. Okay, parental generation. So this is the carpel means carpel means in the flowers we can see in a down green color parts, that is the carpel. So this stamen and the egg, everything he added it, okay, in another flower. Now this is the cross pollination. So pollinated carpel matured into pod. Okay, so in the third step what happens means, so after mixing the carpel into the stamen into the egg, now this flower only changes into what, seeds, na? So now the after the meeting this both, the seeds are produced, okay, from these flowers. So pollinated matured into pod. Okay, so pod, and we got the seeds here. Okay, now afterwards fourth step, planted seeds from the pod. Okay, so this is the pod, and from the pod he planted the seeds. So from the seeds he got the F1, first generation, new plants he got. Examined offspring, all purple flowers. So after the cross pollination, white flower and violet flower both mixed, and now he got in the, this is the offspring, that means children of that parents. Everything is what, all are in the purple color. Okay, purple color in the F1 generation. So this one is the dominant. Okay, dominant. Then afterwards again these plants, what he did, from this plant seeds will come, na? So he allowed them to grow. Okay, he did not do now the cross pollination. Now these seeds are the hybrid seeds, because in the pea plants only the self pollination take place, that is naturally, but cross pollination is taking place in the pea plants, means it is artificial. So the seeds he got is the hybrid seeds. From the F1 generation what he got seeds, these seeds he sowed in the earth, he planted in the earth. Again for his surprise, what did he get means, he got the white flower seeds, white flower plants, and also the violet flower plants in the F2 generation. Okay, so here you can see, so Mendel now self-pollinated these first generation plants. The seeds obtained were then sown. To his utter surprise, he found that this yielded plants of pure parental generation as well that he had started with. Not all plants yielded purple flowers. There were some that yielded means get, na? Obtain white flowers as well. Among them, so in the F2 generation he got the white and purple also. So he counted the plants. Among them 929 is the had grown from the hybrid seeds. Okay, among 929, 705 the purple flower, this is the dominant, which he got more. In the table I showed the dominant characters and the recessive characters. So the purple flower is the dominant, and the white flowers he got how many, and number of the white flower is another. Okay, So among the 929, 705 the white, other is the white flowers. So he gave ratio as a 3.15 is to 1. Okay, so this is the high and 1 is the recessive. Okay, always he used the number 3. 3 is to 1. 3 is the dominant, 1 is the recessive. Less number, higher number. And also always this side dominant, this side recessive. In the table I showed you dominant and recessive characters. So Mendel studied several contrasting characters. He found that parental varieties with contrasting characters always gave a ratio of 3 is to 1 in the second generation. 3 is the dominant, 1 is the recessive. 3 is the purple flower, 1 is the violet flower.